In this video, we're going to talk about how to connect your Google Analytics to your YouTube channel and why you want to. I'm Travis, the digital marketing nomad, and one of the reasons why we want to connect our YouTube to our Google Analytics is just to give us more data than what our YouTube Analytics gives us. So I'm just going to quickly go into my account here and show you a little bit of what Analytics shows. So it shows us our watch time, views, how many more subscribers, and stuff like that. But it doesn't really tell us about the type of users that we have, like demographics or anything. And that's where Google Analytics comes in. And it's really simple to do. All you have to do is go to Google Analytics. If you don't have an account already, sign up for one. And then you're just going to go down to in the bottom left here where it says admin. Click on that. And under the first column, so there's three, we want the first column, and we want to click on create account. And we want to name this, so digital marketing nomad YouTube channel. And we're just going to marketing nomad YouTube. Now, for the website URL, we want to take our channel. So if we go to your account and click on my channel, you want to take this, copy it, and paste it under a website URL. Now, if I click off of this, it's going to show an error. The reason why is we just need to delete the HTTPS because they already have it here. And then we're going to select an industry. So do something that's related to what you're doing. Time zones are right. And then you just want to click on Get Tracking ID. You want to agree to the terms of service. And then it's going to give us our tracking ID number. So this number, you don't want to share this with everyone because then they can get access to your information. So I am going to blur it out here, but just copy that. And we're going to go back to our channel. And we want to click on YouTube Studio. Now, they might have changed this in later videos where it's more easier accessible from YouTube Studio, but currently we have to go to the classic version. So on the right hand side at the bottom here, I'll zoom in here to make it a little easier. You click on Creator Studio Classic, and you can just skip this. And it's going to take us to the older Creator Studios. Now we want to scroll down till we get to channel and click on the little down arrow. It's going to open up here and we want to go to advanced. And then from there, we want to scroll down and where it says Google Analytics Property Tracking ID, you want to copy that number in and then just make sure you click Save. And that's it. Now, it usually takes 24 to 48 hours for this to populate, but we do have it there. See, and it's just saying that no data has been received. But that is it. You do now have Google Analytics attached to your YouTube channel, and the more you use this, you'll be able to find out user data on like kind of your demographics, how old they are, male, female, so you can really get to know who the people are that are watching your videos and make better decisions that way. And If you look up in the description below here, there'll be a link to some more videos on how to improve your YouTube channel.